Hello there. Today we've had an update on Star Wars X-Wing and Star Wars Armada from Atomic Mass Games regarding the development ending on both of those products. So I thought I'd just quickly give you all an update. After long and careful consideration, we are here today to announce the end of development on Star Wars X-Wing and Star Wars Armada. This is from the Atomic Mass Games official website under their transmission tab for X-Wing. We are grateful for the community's passionate engagement and support over the past few years. Rising production costs, global manufacturing, and pandemic-related challenges have made it increasingly difficult to produce high-quality, pre-painted miniatures, which ultimately led to the decision to end development. Although development is ending, we are not stepping away from these games entirely. Atomic Mass Games will continue to support tournaments and organise play for both games, with OP kits to be found in your local shops, culminating in the Open World Championship at Adepticon in March 2025. Thank you for your continued support and dedication. So, yeah, a couple of things from this. It's not entirely clear what we can expect in terms of discontinuing of the product, or when they do plan to discontinue or stop supporting it entirely. They haven't specified on here. They have just said the development of it is ending, so we can expect that we're not going to be getting anything new for the game. This section here is just a little bit too vague, I would say. We haven't really... I mean, what does OP mean in this case? Does this mean out of production kits? You know, how long are we going to be able to get, models and things for the game? When do we expect that to stop happening? I have reached out to them via email to see if there's any kind of update they can give on a time frame. So I don't really have much to add at the moment, but if I do get a reply to that, I'll pin it in the comments below. Main reason I wanted to touch on this, because I normally don't touch on updates and things from games, but with the future of these games now being somewhat uncertain in terms of, how long until they are discontinued, if they do get discontinued, I did feel it was sort of my moral obligation to point this out, as, my X-Wing starter kit video has probably got like 4,000 views, I think, on it now. And undoubtedly some people have likely gotten into X-Wing as a result of that video. And I don't want people who have sort of like joined the channel or jumped on here because of that, going into this thinking that this is like a brand new game that's going to be supported forever. We now know that eventually that support is going to come to an end, especially with them no longer developing for it. It's just a little bit up in the air at the moment as to when they would be discontinuing it, if they do discontinue it. I mean, it seems likely, but at this point, I can only speculate until they get back to us, if they do get back to us at all. So yeah, that's just the kind of state of it at the moment. Not really good news, unfortunately. Don't know really what else to add. So yeah, thank you very much for listening, and hopefully if I do get anything back from this, I'll put it in the comments. But yeah, thank you very much for stopping by.